Welcome back. If you go to the admin section of your Microsoft 365 and you were to click the link that says install my software, you'll see here that there's a link to install Skype for Business. You can determine the language and the version, and then you can click install. Once you have the program downloaded, you can then click the executable file. You'll then need to go through the install process. You'll then have access to two icons. You have access to Skype for Business as well as your Skype for Business Recording Manager. You'll need to accept the license agreement and then click Start. You'll then need to sign in using your Microsoft Office 365 email address. Then you'll be signed into your Skype for Business panel. In order to customize, you'll need to go into this gear. That'll open up into your options area. You'll especially want to make sure that you have the right audio device, the right video device, and that your recording will happen the way that you expect. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.